Alright guys, welcome back to another brand new video. Hope you guys are all doing well and I hope you guys are all hanging in there because guys, today Bitcoin is in fact crashing even more, and not just Bitcoin, also altcoins, right? So the crypto market today is in fact having a crash today, guys. Okay, it's crashing even more. Okay, we saw yesterday that Bitcoin was in fact crashing, and of course we saw some other altcoins even crashing as well, and today it's continuing to have a crash. So we should take this as a huge opportunity, okay, to buy more. I really highly suggest you guys, okay, that today is in fact a great opportunity to buy more crypto, right, to accumulate more today, right? But let me show you guys what is happening with Bitcoin. So you guys can just clearly see, okay, Bitcoin is now holding at 60,600, okay, and at one point actually went all the way down to about $58,000, just below, okay, $59,000. Okay, it went all the way down to about 58,900. You guys can just clearly see that, and it is in fact bouncing back up right now. Okay, we are in fact in the 1 hour time frame, but obviously there's a lot of selling going on right now, guys. So someone out there once again is selling a whole bunch of Bitcoin, and it's crazy because we know, guys, okay, just yesterday, okay, the Bitcoin ETFs, and not just Bitcoin, also Ethereum ETFs were in fact starting to trade just yesterday, right? Money was flowing into Bitcoin, right? And it's just crazy because we would expect Bitcoin to have a pump, right? This was pretty much, buy the rumors, sell the news. Okay, and Bitcoin did the complete opposite, and it did in fact tumble down, right? Having a crash back down to the downside. You guys can clearly see that. You guys can clearly see Ethereum still holding strong. $3,000, okay, just above $3,000. At one point actually went all the way down to $2,900. So Ethereum right now is still holding very strong, right? Bitcoin holding strong at 60K. You guys can clearly see the entire crypto market today is down significantly today, right? And since the market is down, guys, we should take this as a huge opportunity to buy more, right? I told you guys many times, when we see red dates like this, like what's happening today, right, with the crypto market, we should take it as a golden opportunity to accumulate more, to buy more, right? I really do highly suggest you guys to buy more Bitcoin today, to buy more Ethereum or whatever other altcoin that you guys are planning on investing on or have been accumulating. Today is a great day to buy it because you guys can just clearly see for the past 24 hours, Bitcoin is down 5%, Ethereum is down over 6%, and a lot of altcoins are in fact down over 3%, 7%, 8%, even 10%, right? So you guys can just clearly see today is a great day to buy more. You guys can clearly see, okay, reds all over, altcoins, including Bitcoin. So it's safe to say that today is obviously a red day, and we should take today as a buying opportunity. And the market is down over 5%, 5.4%, right? So today it is down significantly, and you guys can clearly see the global crypto market cap is now sitting at 2.23 trillion, right? So it's dropped a lot. So yes, guys, just yesterday, right? Just yesterday, we had Asia's first spot Bitcoin, not just Bitcoin, also Ethereum ETFs, okay, in Hong Kong. Okay, it was officially launched and started trading just yesterday, right? So if you guys haven't seen yesterday's video, you should definitely check it out. But yes, Asia's first spot Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs were officially launched, okay, in Hong Kong just yesterday, and they started to trade, right? So this is obviously very bullish news, and I told you guys many times with these Bitcoin ETFs, okay, everyone wants a piece of these Bitcoin ETFs. Okay, soon enough we're going to see different countries / cities, having these Bitcoin ETFs. Soon enough it's going to be Australia next, okay, which is funny because I live in Australia, and I think that is very bullish, right? And many more other countries are going to be next. I reckon Dubai is going to be one of them as well. So everyone wants a piece of these Bitcoin ETFs, guys. Okay, but yes, just okay, I actually want to share with you guys this, because this is pretty much like a fun fact, and I'm pretty sure you guys don't know this, but pretty much, okay, China AMC Bitcoin ETF in Hong Kong took in $121 million inflows on the first day, which is crazy because that's more than all the US Bitcoin ETFs combined in the last 6 days of trading. Okay, so the first day, guys, $121 million inflow for the first day. Okay, when the Bitcoin ETF was officially started trading in Hong Kong, which is absolutely amazing. And I told you guys, right? New money is in fact going to be flowing into Bitcoin, right? And this is just one of the reasons. Okay, you guys can just clearly see $121 million, over $100 million, guys. Crazy. And this is why I really do believe in the next upcoming, bull run that's going to happen very, very soon in the next upcoming few months, even weeks. It's going to be completely different compared to all these other bull runs that we have, in fact, been seeing for Bitcoin. This one that's coming up is going to be completely different. Okay, a lot of money is going to be flowing into Bitcoin. Okay, and we are, in fact, already seeing a lot of Bitcoin ETFs being launched, okay, and of course being traded and whatnot. Like, this is obviously, very, very bullish, right? So yes, let's get into these Bitcoin charts, starting off with this one, okay, and it shows us here, okay, Bitcoin has fallen onto a support on the daily chart, okay. You guys can just clearly see Bitcoin right now is in fact falling back down to this daily support, okay, and every single time Bitcoin has, okay, pretty much dropped back down or touched back down to this daily support level, it does in fact form a uptrend, just like what it did back earlier this year in 2024. Right, you can just clearly see that went all the way back down to this daily support, and we had a beautiful uptrend. Right, we will see another uptrend. Right, we will see. But if Bitcoin breaks below, obviously this support level, right, this daily support, then it's gonna crash further down to the downside. But if it holds the support level, okay, it will most likely have a beautiful uptrend up to the upside. So most likely we will see Bitcoin back up over 70K, okay, reaching a new high and whatnot. So we will see. But understand, guys, even though Bitcoin is in fact having these drops, okay, it's completely normal, right? It is in fact completely normal. And seeing Bitcoin dropping 21% or 20%, right, this is completely normal, and this chart just shows you guys that, right? I showed you guys this chart yesterday, but it's very, very true. Ever since we had this very nice uptrend for Bitcoin, ever since last year, early last year in 2023 to where we are now, you guys can just clearly see we will see Bitcoin having 21% drops, 20%, 20%, and 20% over here, and another 20%. What's happening right now with Bitcoin is completely normal, and we do in fact see Bitcoin, breaking out, okay, breaking up to the upside, right? So understand, corrections are normal, guys. Okay, 20% corrections are normal, even if Bitcoin is having correction of like 30%, 40%, because that can happen. It's completely normal. Understand that, guys, and corrections are healthy. Okay, understand that. But Bitcoin is at the same point where it was back in 2017 and 2020. Okay, this is just the calm before the storm. Understand, guys, a bull run is coming. We are in fact about to enter the next upcoming bull run. Okay, this is very, very bullish, guys. Okay, and we should take this as a huge opportunity right now to buy more Bitcoin, because yes, we could potentially see Bitcoin, since Bitcoin is holding strong at 60K right now, we could potentially see it dropping below 60K, right? I've told you guys that many, many times. It's possible. It's not, no, sorry. It's not impossible. It's actually possible for us to see Bitcoin dropping, below 60K, right? We could potentially see Bitcoin going back down to like 58K, 55K. These price targets are very, very possible. So understand that we're gonna see Bitcoin having a last correction back down to the downside, right? A big one potentially, and then after that, we're gonna enter a bull run. Understand that, right? It's gonna go back up to 60. It's gonna go back to 70, to over 70, to 80, right? Reaching a new high for Bitcoin, and eventually it's gonna reach 100K. Told you guys many, many times. I do in fact see Bitcoin reaching at least $100,000 towards the end of this year in 2024. And I still think it's on track. I still think that's going to happen, right? But yes, Bitcoin bull market stays on track, and you guys can just clearly see that, right? the next upcoming few months, okay, for 2024, we're going to see Bitcoin continue to pump up to the upside, okay, especially towards the end of this year in 2024, and of course throughout next year in 2025. And I told you guys many times, 2025 is in fact going to be an amazing year for Bitcoin and crypto. So now, some just clearly see also this chart is showing when we have the Bitcoin halving event, this is when Bitcoin tends to pump the most and the real boring begins. But it doesn't happen straight away, right? When we have the Bitcoin halving event, Bitcoin doesn't pump straight away. Okay, it takes time. So let Bitcoin breathe a little bit, guys, right? Relax. Okay, like it's been pumping so much throughout the past few months. Okay, like we all have been waiting for a 60K Bitcoin, and here we are. Okay, and Bitcoin pumped even higher than that, reaching a new high above $73,000 at one point, right over a month ago. Who remembers? And it's dropping back down now, and now everyone's still freaking out, even though it's still holding strong at above 60K, right? Just chill, guys, okay? Just nothing to be bearish about. We all should be very bullish because the next upcoming few months is going to pump even higher, okay? So that's that. But it says here, Bitcoin bullish in May. 3 times out of 4, the halving month has been a bearish month, okay? Yet the month following the halving has always been a bullish one. I think May will be no exception. Okay. Now, I don't think this is actually true. Okay. The reason why I don't think it's actually true. So Titan of Crypto is saying here that pretty much April, usually that is in fact a bearish month. But then the next month after that, right, May, okay, it should be a bullish month. But I don't think that is actually true, because if we go here on the Bitcoin monthly returns percentages, okay, you guys can clearly see just last year, 2023, in that month, we saw Bitcoin dropping 7%, right? Even in 2022, when we were in fact in a bear market, Bitcoin dropped over 15%, 15.6%. Even in 2021, right? In 2021, we were in fact in a bull market, and you guys can clearly see Bitcoin actually dropped a whopping 35% for the month of May, right? So I don't think May can be a bullish month for Bitcoin. Like, who knows, this year, 2024, things could switch up, right? We could end off this month for the first time in 3 years, because 2021, 2022, and 2023 has ended off in the reds. So, who knows, things could switch up, right? Like, we have in fact been seeing Bitcoin pumping a fair bit, in 2029 for this month of May, right? 52% back in 2019, another 52% back in 2017, right? 40% again 2014. So who knows, this year could be different, right? But it is, today is the first day of May. Okay, so April obviously ended, and we did end off April in the reds at 15.4%. Okay, so that's that. So we'll see, guys, what's going to happen with the month of May. It could be bullish, it could not be. We will see. But yeah, guys, that is pretty much it for today's video. Stay calm, buy more Bitcoin, buy more crypto, accumulate more. Take today as a golden opportunity to buy more Bitcoin, since we did in fact have this, crash, right? This correction back down to the downside. But yeah, as you can clearly see, it looks like Bitcoin is in fact holding very strong at this level of $60,000, right? And it's looking like it wants to bounce back up. So we'll see. I will obviously, keep you guys updated on that. But guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. Hope you guys all enjoyed it. Give thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys all in my next upcoming video. Have a good one, guys.